So, creating a YouTube video can be fun, can be some work, but let me tell you, the work really begins after you upload your video and after you get your content recorded and you're in your YouTube studio. So, in this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and strategies on how to maximize your views and how to get your subscribers and get your watch hours up. 7 tips I got for you, but stay tuned to the end of the video because that 7th tip is mind-blowing and game-changing. So, hey, it's me, Donna Marie, and I'm back again to help you grow your channel, start your channel, give views, subscribers, and get monetized on YouTube. So if you like this information and you get value out of this content, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. So let's jump right on into it, y'all. First tip, after you upload, I'm talking about after you upload and made your video, y'all. These are the 7 little tips that I've been implementing, but stay tuned for the last one because the last one is new to me and I'm sharing it with you guys too. So, after you upload your title, you really should already have your title, to be honest with you. But if you haven't found your title, use a trending title, y'all. Use a title that's been working for someone else. I know I feel like I'm repeating myself. I know you're getting tired of me hearing it, but I'm going to preach it. I'm going to preach it. I'm going to preach it. Use a title that's already working for a small creator, y'all. Revamp it, redo it, put your own little twist on it. And if you can't find a title, you can always go to ChatGPT, Uncle Al, and ask him, put in there information what your video is about. Ask Uncle Al, ChatGPT, to give you an optimized title with keywords that would get your audience that you're looking for, and he'll do that for you. Y'all keep seeing me look down. I'm sorry, but y'all know I got my notes. I got my notes. So, and if your title is not working for you, y'all, you can always go back and change it. There's nothing wrong with that. If you post your video and your title is not something that is not working for you, it's not giving what you need for it to give, you can always go back and change it. But definitely find a title that's working for someone else, another small creator, because we did our research, right? We have done our research, y'all, for real though. So you got your title. You put your title in. And don't forget, y'all, everything you make changes in YouTube Studio, save it. After everything you change, go up in the right-hand corner and save it, y'all. Because you don't want to lose your changes. You know, it's easily you can forget to save your changes, okay? So next, we're going to the description box. Okay. Like I said, your description box should go with your title. It all has to correspond together. All of this had to network together, flow together for YouTube and the algorithm to know where to push your content at and who to put your content in front of. So your description, make sure your description, like I said, is talking about your video. What you talking about in your video, put it in your description, y'all. Put it in the description. And don't forget, if you can't come up with a SEO optimized description, you can go to Uncle Al, ChatGPT, whichever AI that you're using, put your title in there. Ask Uncle Al, ChatGPT, can you give me an optimized, SEO optimized description to go with my title? This is my video title for YouTube. When you're talking to ChatGPT or any AI, y'all, make sure you be specific. Make sure you be very detailed because that will help give that AI to generate more information that you need. And also, don't forget, if you are an affiliate for any kind of like Amazon affiliate, Shein affiliate, you can be a Target affiliate, you can be Walmart affiliate, any affiliate that you are, make sure in your description, this is where your disclaimer go at. Don't forget to put your disclaimer in, y'all. And we can talk more about that in another video. But that's your disclaimer for any affiliate program. I don't care if you're affiliate for computer software, if you're affiliate for food, if you're affiliate for any clothing brand, you affiliate with anything that you're going to be using in your video. This is where your disclaimer go. Your disclaimer go inside your description box, y'all. And make sure you using SEO friendly words. And also your tags go in your description, your hashtags and go in your description box as well. It's up to you how many hashtags you want to use. It just depends on how I'm feeling when I'm making that video. I'm going to be honest with y'all. Sometimes I might put 3 or 4 hashtags. Sometimes I might put 10. I mean, you know, it just depends on how I'm feeling and how much time I got too as well. Okay. Next, we got the title. We got the description. Now, if you go down a little more, it'll have a section about thumbnails. Now, your thumbnails is important, y'all. If you looked at my other videos, then you know. TTH, title, thumbnail, hook. It's very important because these are the 3 things your audience, people first see. Your thumbnail, title, and your hook. So you got to be buckle down on it. I'm learning, y'all. So this is not a marathon. Okay? It's not a marathon. But your thumbnail, y'all, make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching. It's not too busy is what I'm learning too. If you see my thumbnail, and hopefully you did, that's why you clicked on this video. Thank you. And if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. That will help with the algorithm. I thank you very much. Your thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail has what your video is talking about. Sometimes I even throw my title on top of my thumbnail. It works. You want your thumbnail to be visible. You want it to be eye-catching, and you want it to pique your audience attention so they'll click on your video. So it's very important. And when you're uploading in your box, it's like YouTube will give you an option for them to generate you a thumbnail, and they'll just pick random pics up out of your video and generate. It's like 3 of them you'll have the option to choose from. Or you can upload your own thumbnail, in which that's what I recommend because it gives you practice. You know, I mean, not every thumbnail gonna be on spot and perfect, but the more you practice and the more you learn how to do thumbnails, the better you'll get. And you can see on other small creators' channels, you know, how they thumbnails is working for them, how the style of their thumbnails is working for them, what they added in their thumbnails is working for them, and you can try to implement them in your thumbnail. I know that's what I've been doing. I mean, it's all trial and error, y'all. If we just got to keep throwing stuff out there to see what catches. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's what I'm doing. I mean, seriously, though. It's all trial and error. And you keep going and you keep trying until something catches and until something hits. You know, that's the whole thing about growing. YouTube, growing on YouTube, your journey on YouTube, it's all trial and error. We all here to learn. We all here to give advice. We all here to share with each other. That's why we building a community. And we're all here to get monetized. So make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching, tells about what's in your video, which is very important, and try to use some keywords in your thumbnail. That's why I say most of the time I use a little bit of my title, some of my description, boom, I throw it in my thumbnail, try to make it eye-catching, try to make it so people will click on it, pique their curiosity to see, oh, well, maybe, that thumbnail is curious. I wonder what that video is about. You know, then they click on your video and watch your video. So make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching, clean too, y'all. Clean, not too busy, not too busy. Next, after your thumbnail. Now, after you're done with your thumbnails, you go down where it says your playlist, y'all. The playlist is so important, y'all. With your playlist, you create a playlist by combining a lot of your videos together. Or if you got a series that you're talking about, like something you want, like a part 1, part 2, part 3, you can build all those videos into one playlist. A playlist is essential, y'all. The playlist will help you get more viewers, more subscribers, and your watch hours up, y'all. So build you a playlist and add it down in your YouTube studio. And in every video, y'all, add your playlist. It's essential. And your playlist is important because when somebody's watching your video, your playlist will pop up on like the right-hand side of the video, and that gives them opportunity to pick another one of your videos to watch and to continue to watch your videos. So the playlist is essential, it's important, and always add a playlist in your YouTube studio. And also, once you get done with your playlist, you will go over and you'll go up, and it's a place where it says for your visibility for your video that you're uploaded. And this is essential. This is important, y'all. You got 3 options. You have public, you have private, and you have unlisted for your visibilities to check. You can check unlisted or private. I say those two, check those two while you're doing all your information, while you're putting your title in, while you're doing your description box, while you're making your playlist, while you putting all the other information, your category in there, the language you wish your video to be in. Make sure you pick one of the two, public or unlisted. And you want to choose either one of these two. I mean, unlisted or private. I'm sorry. You don't want to choose public, because the longer that no one can seize it and you're putting all this information in, that lets YouTube and the algorithm knows it's reading all that data. It's taking all that data in. Your title that you put in, your description that you put in, your tags that you put in, your hashtags you put in. Long as you got it under unlisted or private, YouTube and the algorithm is putting all that data in. And so once you get done putting all your data in, and also your end screen, which is very important, we're going to get on that. After you do everything, then you will make your video public. And while your video is unlisted or private and you're putting this information in, the longer you can keep your video private or unlisted, it generates more information for the algorithm in YouTube, y'all. So I usually, after I get everything done with my video, I let my video sit unlisted or private I try to keep it for 2 hours. They say 2 to 24 hours. And the longer you keep it like that, that lets the algorithm in YouTube know it's study reading the data. So when you make it public, it'll know exactly where to push your content at. It'll know exactly what audience you're looking for. This is good information, y'all. Try it. Try it. Put down in the description if you tried it, and let me know how did it work for you. But also, the end screen. Y'all, utilize the end screen. The end screen is so important. This is where, now don't pick too many. All I can say is pick 1 subscribe button and 1 end screen video. It has different options up there for you to pick, y'all. You can pick 2 videos for somebody to watch, or you can pick 1 video and 1 subscribe button, or you can pick the 2 videos and 1 subscribe button. But I come to find out too many options. Y'all know us humans, our mind spans is short. We don't have long attention spans, and if we got too much to choose from, we probably won't choose at all. So my advice is just put 1 video and 1 subscribe button at the end screen. And y'all, make sure you let them know in your video. Watch the video next at the end screen. It got more information about it. Let people know. Don't forget, use a call to action at the end of your videos. Because sometimes people will watch your videos and they'll forget to subscribe. They'll forget to click on the end screen, on the video at the end screen. So make sure you implement a CTA, a call to action at the end of your video, y'all. That's where you tell people to check the description box. Don't forget to check my description box, y'all. It's good information down there as well. That's where you tell them to check your description box. You tell them to check this next video out that I got right here. Got more information for you. That's how you get up your watch hours. That's how you get your viewers. That's how you get your subscribers. So utilize that end screen. Y'all, utilize everything in YouTube Studio. It's there for a reason. It's there because YouTube wants you to utilize it, y'all. It wouldn't be there if it wasn't. Utilize everything in YouTube Studio. This is the main thing. This is how you're going to grow. This is how YouTube and the algorithm going to push your information, push your content out to the people that you want to see it. So you can generate your audience, so you can generate your community, and you can grow your channel. You can get your watch hours, you can get your views, and you can get monetized. Because that's the whole purpose of us being here, correct? Correct. Now, you got your visibility, you got your end screen. This is the last thing, and I hope you stay to the end of this video, because let me tell you, when I learned this last secret, y'all, this was mind-blowing. I can't even believe I didn't think of it myself, and why nobody else is talking about it, or why nobody else has tried this, y'all. Unbelievable. But here we go. Most of us have 2 phones. Most of us out here in the YouTube streets got more than 1 channel. Most of us utilizes both of our phones. Most of us utilizes more than 1 email. Most of us utilizes more than 1 social media. That's just the way of the world, right? Y'all, after you done upload your video, after you done did all the changes, and don't forget to hit save after everything you change. Hit save, y'all. After you done utilize your end screen, after you done kept your video unlisted or private for an hour or 2 or 24, depending on how much time you got. Now you went public, uploaded your video, secret sauce, y'all, from another phone, from another channel, from another social media. Y'all, go watch, or you can even create another channel and use this as your support channel, y'all. All big YouTubers have it. They make another small channel or one of their kids' channel. They'll get on their kids' channel or a friend channel. Nope, not a friend. Take that back. Create a new channel, y'all. Use it as your support channel. This will be the channel after every upload. You go on that channel and make sure you watch your video all the way through. Mind-blowing. You watch your video all the way through from another channel. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a subscribe. Drop a comment. Y'all, this will help YouTube and the algorithm to push your video out. Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Make sure, though, you watch your video all the way through, though, from another channel, from another source of channel. Like I say, create another channel on your own, and this will be your support channel. This will be your channel where you comment on your videos, where you watch your videos. Giving the algorithm a chance to say, oh, this is good content. Oh, this channel, someone likes this channel. Oh, they gave it a thumbs up. Let's push it out to more people. Let's get it out here in the algorithm. This is what YouTube would do. So that's my tips and secrets, my 7 tips and secrets, y'all. Don't forget to look in the description box. Drop a comment below. And don't forget to watch this next video on how to grow your channel. And thanks, and come again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.